Activity 8, Stars in the Night. Now, this is another poem which is given. It is about the stars. Let us read the whole poem and then I will give you the explanation. This poem is written by Dave Allen Walker. Okay. I see the stars in the night. When will they come and be our light? Show us the way to a better life. Show us how to live our lives. Stars in the night, show us your light. Guide us to the promised land. Stars in the night, we need your light. We have had millions of years to get it right. If we can't do it now, we never will. Stars in the night, be our light. Okay, so this is the poem about stars. Stars कब shine होते हैं? They come in the sky when there is no sun. Okay, so the stars shine at night. They are asked to guide us to the promised land. Now, what is that promised land? To a better life, where we have where we learn how to live our life. Then they do not have powerful light on their own, okay, but they still twinkle and glitter in the sky. The stars appears when the sun sets. जब sun नहीं होता है तभी stars हमको दिखते हैं. There are as a navigations, the constellations are used to understand the way, to understand the direction, whether we are walking on the right direction or we are on the wrong direction, that we come to know through the constellations positions. There are ships and sailors who use constellations to understand their route. Okay, जो सप्तऋषि है, Big Dipper, it is used to understand the direction. The stars disappears when the sun rises, and they also guide us. How they do guide us? They do not guide us in verbal terms, but they tell us how you can shine in your own way in your life and you can live like now a there is star. An exercise given at the end this of is all about 8. The let us poem. Read it once again. Carefully read the poems on the sun and the stars. Work in groups of 4. Make a comparative study. Now this is you have to do on your own. What you have to do is go through both the poems, the star wali poem or sun wali poem, and then make the comparison. आपको इसका कंपैरिजन करना है, ठीक है, कि ये दोनों पोएम्स में सन के बारे में क्या बोला गया है और स्टार्स के बारे में क्या बोला गया है. फाइन, सो दिस यू हैव टू डू ऑन योर ओन. फॉर दिस यू डोंट नीड माई हेल्प. Activity 9. In Activity 9, you have to write a paragraph on the uses of solar energy using the following points. Now, there are some points which are given to you. Using these points, you have to write a paragraph on the uses of solar energy. Now, this is also a do-it-yourself activity, because even if I give you the paragraph, there are students who will not try on their own, and I want you to try on your own. Frame sentences using the words which are given to you. Okay, and then write a paragraph. Fine. So this I am sure you will be able to do it. Now let us proceed to activity 10. See, in activity 10, you have to do this. You can do on your own. Okay, this is also a do-it-yourself activity. You have to find out the names of the sun in different languages. You can use the internet or the textbooks. The reference books. Okay. For example, Surya or Suraj is called in Hindi. Suraj again in Hindi and Gujarati both. Then Suryan in Tamil. Suryudu in Telugu. Suryo in Bengali, Suryu in Konkani, Suraj in Punjabi, Surya in Sanskrit, Surya in Marathi, Suryan in Malayalam, and so on. There are many in many languages. It is called different latest pronouns differently. Fine. If you want, instead of Indian languages, you can also use some foreign languages to mark your answers. I hope you'll enjoy this activity. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you understood the chapter nicely. I want all of you to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss even a single video which are going to come next week, and beyond that you will get a notification for the same in your mailbox. So I want all of you to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, and whatever queries if you have in this chapter, you can write in the comment box and I will surely get to you. Thank you once again for watching the video.